Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? So this is urgent news and update of Filecoin, my brother. What a bad condition, my friend, this time in the crypto market. What a bad. Every holder is in the loss, my brother. But I did not want to. You are in the loss, my brother. Absolutely, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. Please reach us personally. After that, my friends, you take decision. Thank you so much for everyone for watching my videos, for subscribing my channel. Especially if you are new on our channel, kindly first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every tech channel is guide you every time, my brother. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you can see, my brother, the Filecoin is completely phased down from last 3 days. You can see here the change occur is very small, minus 0.94%. Just in only they phased down, especially in those days they very fastly phased down. And if you can see here, my friends, this is the last, my friends, you can see last 3 days chart. So exactly, my friend, you can see your last 24 hours is absolutely going to be very bad result. And absolutely, my friend, after this good jump, you can see here they also take a very good fall. So let's see whether you can see this time the price is 91.65 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, they will give you, they will hit, my friends, just in only 100 USD dollar at the end of month. So if you hold, and absolutely this is one of the fastest, my friend. So exactly the good time is soon. So kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. Absolutely the good time is soon. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.